Okay. Okay. Gold finally achieved the targets perfectly. What I said to you. First, they don't take this liquidity. So when we all will be sleeping, especially in Asian countries, they'll take within, like, we can't even imagine this 500 pips within one candle done. And it was 3:30 a.m. For this market started 4:30, so we got volatility at 3:30. Yes, and I was trying scalping here at this area, but yeah, I was holding. My target was 51 here, 51. Yeah, this place. We achieved, and I didn't take any long. But I entered yeah, this way. Yeah. First, I was looking at this place and it was matching, right? So I marked here stop loss entry. Done. So today again, uh, obviously, I'll wait for the retracement. Now for a short side, okay, for a short side, we should be careful because can come once again. It can come here. For that, we need some confirmation at this place. 1 second. Area during US session. Now we cannot take the trade. Market let it go. I'll wait to build the liquidity here. Okay, buy side liquidity. So I'll wait during US when it grab this liquidity, then I'll join this sell side. But now I don't take any trades. Sure, even if it's come, it's okay. But during US, I'll try now. If this level breaks, assume this level breaks, then I'll wait for the healthy retracement. I'll join the long positions. According to that, we have to check where is the order block, then I'll join. All
Ram,
right.
for
Yes, sir.
instance, right now, that green candle is low volume. Are you
Okay.
assuming that it might break this level and go to the next one? Just
No, we
because
have.
it's
Okay, sorry. Go ahead, sir. Yes.
so just let me draw. So this candle is in a low volume.
Mm.
It's just because I'm struggling with the volume. I want to understand more what to expect according
Mm.
to what I'm seeing in the volume.
Okay.
So that would indicate that there is a chance that this level is going to break and price might travel to the next one. Am I correct? Or
Yes, I'll tell you, sir. Before
okay,
before looking the volumes, we should understand where are the support and resistance, which is order block, fair value gap, anything. Okay, we need to understand that. So when we mark any zone, then only you will understand the volume. For example, now this is the resistance, correct? We should get the ultra high volume candles on the green color. If I am looking a sell, I mean short. If I'm
yeah,
looking a sell, then I should get ultra high volume candle. That means people are booking their profit in this area. Okay,
correct,
now
yeah.
compared to this, we have good volume, sir. Not ultra high volume candle, but this is the good volume. So just how you have to see before candles.
Okay,
Compared to that, this is the good volume. And this is the resistance. If the market even, if it comes down, can break. It can break. Not a. If there is next candle. Okay, the next candle. If any green candle close inside this with the low volume, done. That
so it
is
will go to the next one. Okay,
yes. We should wait for the retracement. It can maybe this or else here. Any both sides or any side. If any, so let it go. This I'll show. Okay. For example, let me show in the code. Sir, I'll just show you the CPR, so you can tell me where is the low. Okay, I'll ask you a question. You should answer. No one should answer. Francisco, sir, you should answer this. All right?
Okay, yeah,
Okay, done. So now I'm not talking about here. Before this, where was the low? Lowest point, sir.
so.
On this
it's
day,
not-
lowest point. Lowest point.
Okay,
Correct. So we'll mark there one zone. All right. So this now, this is the liquidity plus our resistance. Sorry, support. All right.
yeah,
So how to take this one? The wick completely, you take the wick, sir. Okay, this one. All right, here.
yeah,
So we'll go back to this. So on yesterday, the market came here, correct? Exactly,
Yeah.
it came here. Is it ultra high volume candle?
yes.
The next candle, what candle is that?
It's a low volume candle. And
What
it's an
candle is
engulfing
this?
candle.
Huh?
Engulfing, sort of
Correct, correct. Volume,
thing? Low.
you should take the trade.
Yes.
You no need to wait for anything. Done. This is the confirmation for you. Even if there is a low volume, next candle, if it the bullish engulf or morning star with the low volume, that is a good sign of the reversal. Now that means that not mean that market will reverse. That support will work now. All right. So again, the market came down. I'll tell the reason why it came down. See, if I blindly I'll start taking the trade on the 5 minutes, definitely we'll take the stop loss because we don't know what's happening in the 1 hour. I'll come there. So market once again it started coming down. Correct, sir?
Yeah,
So now it swept the liquidity here and it created a candles and again the market dropped. Here you got once again ultra high volume candle here.
yeah,
Again the good candle.
yes.
So the market becomes sideways. Finally, we got the starting moving and breakout. Breakout area candle. Sorry, this is
Low
not a
volume,
breakout.
yeah.
This is the break-in. Okay, with the
Yeah.
low volume. So now the chances are there the market can go up. From here also you can take the trade. Only you will understand here when you go and check on 1 hour. So now we will come back to this place here. Ultra high volume candle
Yes.
here. This is also ultra high volume on 1 hour. We are trading based on the 5 minutes now. Correct? So
Yeah.
direct until this candle will not close, we don't understand whether I should take the trade or no, or we'll wait because the volume will get the volume only when the candle will close. Correct? So go back to the 5 minutes. Now the stop loss will be very small. If I want to take the entry from this area, for example, so where should I take the trade and where can be the stop loss? What do you think at this place?
Well, I would take the trade in here when it closes,
Correct.
or and obviously the stop losses will be in here.
Yes.
Otherwise, I will wait for the retracement really and expect something in here, this sort of area. In this case, didn't happen, but
Yes, correct, sir. If there is a ultra high volume candle breakout, then you should not take any trade if there is any ultra high volume. So the area is very big. In this case, I'll take my trade here, stop loss, like what you said here, right? I can keep here. If there is any wick on this side, then I'll keep my stop loss below this wick, sir. So
okay.
assume that if the market is coming, I'll add another layers in this area. So we'll go
see.
back to the same chart.
Pramod, can I ask you about on this area for
Yes,
one
sir.
more question? Just to be safe, right? For example, yes, it's correct. That candle this is perfect, like break in. Now this is basically this confirms that it actually, because it was a little bit of retracement and it confirmed that it's gonna stay a little bit above, right?
Yes.
So then, so for example, when it does this and this is Morning Star. For me, if I can take trade here and stop loss here, would be way less stop loss. Can I do that?
You can do it, but better you keep it here, sir. I tell you why. You just
Okay.
delete this.
Yeah.
So you take the trade here. You keep your stop loss here. If any candle come and close below this, cut manually your trade. What you do after
Yes. Yes.
after
Okay.
taking after taking this stop loss, if the market becomes that candle becomes the hammer, what you will do, sir? Again, you will miss the trade.
Yeah.
So what I
All right.
do,
Thank you.
yeah, no problem. So yesterday on the gold, sir. So unfortunately, I got a call from my friend who stays in UK at this point. Okay, Sam called me yesterday. He just tried me. I was sitting here. I took the trade from hammer. Now tell me, stop loss was very big, sir. Okay. When the market started moving, I reduced my stop loss was here. And yes, Sam told me, oh, what? Why are you sitting front of me? I said, no, sir, I got very good trade setup here. I'm just trying scalpings. Yes. I just, like it was only 11 o'clock, sir, 11 p.m. I took this trade, I made good profit, and I just, when I started seeing the ranging, I said, now time to close, let's see. And I booked some profit, break even. When I got up, it hit the targets, which I took the shot from these areas. So now here also, sir, Francisco, sir. Now that was the here on 1 hour we got the ultra high volume candle and the dragonfly doji, correct?
Yeah.
So it was 6:30 a.m. and I didn't take. But now I took the trade on the based on the 5 minute. See, now I can see if I mark this breakout area, for example, what we have here, ultra high volume candles.
Yes.
Now in this area, like recently we was discussing with the bread, sir, the same area, sir. Do you remember? This area is also important, sir. The market can take this order block and start moving. I was waiting here. If the candle comes here, then we'll just see how it reacts. I was waiting for this area and I took the trade. When it reached the recent high, book profit and holding. So I'm waiting for the sell now, but proper way, not directly because of this candle. I'll wait because the way the 1 hour has closed, candle is really a bullish candle. So I don't want to take any trade now. I'll just wait for the retracement. Then I'll join this trade once again. If the candle close above this, then gone. This liquidity will swing.
So, Promo, if you put the 5 minute chart there now,
Yeah.
and you said that you don't want to short from this properly. And for example, if it will go down now,
Mm.
then you would wait for it to come here and then you short from here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes. But it's all depend upon the volatility. If the market is coming very slow with the low volume, I'll just wait for the US session. If the market comes right away this way, then I'll try to join somewhere here or here. This areas. But US session, they'll sweep the liquidity, then they'll start moving. Sir. If it's very close, for example, during US session, if the market is somewhere here, then there is high chances they'll take this. That's wrong. If there is like far from here during US session, okay, the market will start ranging. You don't go down or up. Yeah. Yeah, this is order block, sir. Even on 1 hour also. That is order block. No, sir. Enough.
Pramod, could you go to AI16? It's just because I took a trade earlier this morning and I just want to show you the 5 minutes. So what I did, well, what I saw is again ultra high volume in this section. And then the next candle that sort of engulfs that ultra high volume candle is in a low volume. Yeah, this one. So I decided to take the trade from here, and the stop loss is gonna be on here. Well, is in there. Too risky?
100% risky, sir. Yesterday, what did I tell on about the I-16, sir? So yesterday I said, you don't take this liquidity now, market will reverse. And market reversed and it took the order block from here. Then now it's time to take the liquidity. If they are building the liquidity, sir, they'll
Alright.
sweep this, then maybe here it may go up. If it's go up, then you should once again you should try the selling. They'll sweep this.
Yeah, Pramod, can you put the 5 minute of AI 16, please? Yes. So I actually what I did was that this was basically for me like breakout. This was another area that touched and then it retraced to my breakout here. So
Same
I
gold
entered on
chart.
the
Exactly. This
I
is how I took the
entered.
trade on gold.
I listen to this, yeah. The mistake. I entered here, beautiful, right? I went to
Huh?
sleep and I on my mobile I didn't see the where is the top. So I woke up and it was here. So
Oh,
I lost it. I had just break even and I lost it. So whatever. But yeah, these levels, the way you mark and stuff, if it's done only on plain charts, it's really better than with the indicators.
which indicator, sir?
No one.
Yes,
This
now indicators.
basically I'm trying to be the indicator. So I try to
Okay.
see the levels. I
Yes.
see this level, I see this level. So now when I see it's breaking out, now so for here, this is my first trade. If it will go, then okay, stop loss here. Don't worry. Maybe I will try long from here again. But this was the retracement. It's actually shown as well on this on these levels. So no FIP. You don't need. I don't even need to use FIP on this one. If
No,
it's
no.
perfect like this.
Yes. So today is May 29th. Okay, today is the May 29th. After 4 to 6 months, sir, you message me. Everyone, you message me. I'll show you how to take the reversal. You should be so perfect now. When you
We lost
understand
him, I
all
think.
this, when you take the stop loss, immediately you will come to know
Did
how
I
to
lose
take
the
the trade.
internet? Did I lose the internet, or did you guys did not hear
No,
what Pramod
it was
said?
Pramod. Can you
It was
repeat what
Pramod,
you
I
spoke?
think.
Wow.
Okay,
Pramod lost.
because
It was
Oh,
Pramod who lost. Everybody lost that. I think it's a
oh, I
Pramod.
think God stopped me to do not say.
yeah,
It was
Oh my
nice
God.
pause.
I saw
it
that.
must be good message. I guess we are not ready to hear it, Pramod.
So, Prashant, 1 second, sir. Prashant, Macha is here. Yes, yes. My brother-in-law is watching the video. Sir, why said? So, see, for this is everyone, okay? Everyone have my Discord, right? Can message me. Today is the May 29th. After 4 to 6 months, you tell me, Pramod. Yes, I'm good in structure. Now tell me how to take the reversal trends quickly. If the after stop loss is what you can do, I'll show you. And you don't think, sir, this is what I'm doing. I don't do. I do all this. I'm not a YouTuber, sir. I do all this 5 minutes, and even I told to the Yon sir also. I'll tell you guys. Uh, for me, it's not a big deal to give you any signals. But now here, I want you to learn. I want you to learn. You should do yourself. How many days you will depend upon any others? You should be independent. Right? Only for that reason, I just kept quiet. You understand? You learn. There is no. See now, tell me. Like everyone yesterday, everyone was sitting here. Print money, sir.
Hello, sir.
Sir, for you, I think I told it will not take this liquidity. Did you take this liquidity? No, right?
No, you told me, and I missed. I actually closed my some of my
Hmm.
I closed some of my profit after the session. I was waiting to add to the short, but I missed it on the 5 minute chart. I was waiting for a ultra high volume. I don't know why I made a mistake and I didn't catch the on the 5 minute. I have a question actually there.
Yeah.
Should I share mine or you go to the 5
Shall I go
minute
to the
chart?
5 minutes? Okay, I'll just go. Fine.
On the top, I was waiting for candlestick confirmation.
Hmm.
The Yes,
Here?
here,
Hmm.
but I did not took the trade. I did not. Then later on, I was sleeping when it was much more clear.
Okay. Sir, now, for example, if assume that if you take even this or on the top, okay, any of this level, when you take this, if you don't understand here at this place, should I take the trade? Just ignore. So now the gold, it's the same area. I'm not taking the trade, sir. I'm just waiting for healthy retracement, or I'll just wait because this is not the time to take any trade for me. It's already done, right? So I'm not taking the trades here. I'll wait for the next session. For you also, when you don't understand here, just ignore. But yes, if you are luck, then if the market is coming back, then yes, you should try. It's giving you one more chance. Even if you take the stop loss, don't worry, sir. I'll tell you. See what happened in this area. When market goes, it sweep this liquidity, right? We'll mark one area,
Okay.
1 second. When it will be sweep this liquidity, right?
Right?
So when the market enters in immediately, you can join this trade, sir. Done. Your stop loss will be about this because this is the area where you should plan for the sell side. And I clearly told you this one at this area, so market can go to cover this wicks here. And
Yes.
above this, we have the order block. So on the 5 minutes, until you don't see any candlestick pattern, don't take. And even the 1 hour also still the candle is like, you should just look at this bullish. And what the just look at this volume here. Ultra high volume candle, sir. So immediately you should jump into the 5 minutes, then you should start finding the short. Now in this area, for example, in this area, the market is ranging. What can I expect like here? The market is building the liquidity even on the 1 hour. If the market goes up from this area, the market can reject to sweep this liquidity.
I
You
believe
should
that is what is happening right now on Jasmine.
just
Exactly what you're explaining. Yes. The- It built the liquidity and went up there.
yes, it took the liquidity here. It started coming down here. We got a good candle here. Same thing here. It can be possible. It's clearly they are building the liquidity. Let them sweep this. When it start coming down, enter stop loss. So now tell me where you will keep the stop loss in this area, sir. You tell me. Print money.
I would be prepared for two trades,
Correct.
actually.
First trade, tell me
Uh,
how you will take the trade if the market comes here. This area where
if
you will use your stop loss.
here,
Okay.
around here.
If you want to
And I
keep,
would be, yes, that would be my second trade, actually.
no,
I would be ready for a second trade around this zone.
okay.
I don't know
Correct,
if I
sir.
should do this or
If there is
my,
if
yes,
there is
sir.
any candlestick pattern in this area, obviously correct. Then you will keep the stop loss above that candle. If I want to take touch and go trade, then when the candle will enter, I'll just take the trade, but I don't keep the stop loss immediately at this place. My stop loss will be above this touch and go trade, sir.
Okay.
If the market started coming, just green candle, there is no any still confirmation for me. I'll take the trade, my stop loss will be above this. If any confirmation, if I get here, then my stop loss here, like as you said about the candle.
Do we
Yes,
need
it actually
high?
depends on the candlestick.
Yeah,
Yes.
correct.
Do we
Yes,
need
sir.
high volume candles to come up there?
Sorry, sir.
Do we need high volume candles?
When it comes here,
Yes.
yes, sir. If you see green volume, that the sign that the weakness of market. So we'll try this selling side, like AI 16. This is the AI 16. Sorry. So here on the 1 hour, when it reached the order block, this one, we got the ultra high volume candle right here. That is sign of the market can be reversed now. So I'll go to the 5 minutes. I'll find the entry. The same way here, if the market, if you get the ultra high volume candles, the green one, it's the sign of weakness. I'll start looking the selling. I mean short.
Yeah, I
We have,
took this
no,
trade as well.
go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, if you move to the left. Move
One
the
more
screen to the
question
left.
about the good volume. Can I ask, when you say good volume,
Can you hear me? I think Pramod's frozen again.
What?
No, we can hear.
I think froze again.
Pramod's not talking. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, hello.
I took the trade. Hello,
Okay.
I can hear you. Yeah. I took the trade here.
Uh-huh.
Where is it? Hold
Where?
on. Let me try and mark it 1 second. I'm on my iPad. It's not marking. Hold on.
It's not working.
It's not working. Yeah. I took the trade here,
Uh-huh.
but I got stop loss, and I know why. What happened? Because I was distracted. I was watching football, and I was trying to trade as well. So I didn't look at the I wasn't looking at the volume candles. So when I saw a move there, I tried to enter there. But later on, I was watching. I came here. I now jumped to, when the candles came in here. I now jumped to the 1 minute and got entry in there, and then I took it up to here and closed it.
Very nice. So here 1 hour, 1 hour zone, right?
Yes.
You try to enter in this area here. Area.
Yeah.
Okay. 1 hour volume, bro.
Yeah, I wasn't. As I said, I was watching football as well, so I wasn't fully focused.
Okay. In football or in trading, sir? Full focus.
Excuse me, Pramod.
Yes, sir.
I would like to ask you, because I'm a little bit confused about when you say this is a good volume candle. I already got about the ultra volume, but what do you mean by saying a good volume candle? I'm not sure about this.
Sir, so if you see only these volumes, which you see, which you feel the ultra volume. If you see here at this place, 1 second. Now, yeah. Which are the ultra high volumes in this?
Well, here's this,
Correct.
that,
Correct.
this,
Correct.
this,
Good
this.
volume. Good volume.
Well, it's supposed to be the smaller one, not the smallest, but the middle ones, right? Like this, that.
Yes. Yes, sir. Correct. That is only, sir. Now,
Yes.
what all you told the ultra high volume candles. Now you feel that these are the good volume. Look at this. Now tell me which are the ultra high volume. Now tell me good volume.
Ultra high are the
Correct.
biggest one, obviously.
Good volume.
Well, I would say so basically it's the middle ones, not the smallest, but the middle, right?
Yes, sir.
If I get.
So if you compare here, these are the ultra high volume candle. So now when
Yes.
the market will be in this area, you just look at this. We are getting ultra high volume candles, and here even this green also good volumes. You just compare the previous one. Good
What they
volume.
mean?
This is
What do they
not
mean?
signed to take any long positions.
Okay.
Don't take any long positions. You should not get the good volumes in the green candle when it comes near the support. So now tell me, this area is to take the long, correct? According to the price action, we should find the long positions here. We should not get these kind of volumes, sir. It should be dead volumes here. How? See, you just compare with the previous one. Good volume, good volume. The volume is good, right? The red one.
Okay.
It's almost equal to the previous candle, sir.
Yes.
So it means you should not look any long positions here. No.
I see.
You should that the volume should be like low volume, dead volumes. Then the market can go up from here. So now you just check these volumes. Here on this candle, okay. on this candle you got the on this candle you got the low volume, correct? After the next
Correct.
candle you got dead volumes like low volume. That will be good sign that market can go up now. Should not get the good ultra high volume candles, big green volumes here. So again you got big volume. What the sign that the market can reverse now? The market reversed.
Okay.
One thing you should remember, sir, if you are taking the long position from support, if you're taking the long position from the support, okay, when you see the green candle, the green volume should be not big, it should be very small. Understood, sir, or no?
I got it.
Yes, that's it, sir.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
No problem. I'll just show some example, okay, on the equal. Sir, you look at this. Ultra high volume candle, correct?
Yes.
Here, low volume, the market is 50-60% low volumes, low again, good con. So we got the breakout with the ultra high volume candle. Not ultra high, the good volume at this place again. This candle. Just look at this, okay? Here. You got,
It's a
but
good
still,
volume.
yeah, that is good volume. Because just look at the previous one, sir, you will understand. So I don't take the trade. No, if the next candle is moving up, let it go. When it come for the retracement, which candle is this? Which candle is
Well,
this?
it's a bullish candle.
Decision candle.
It's not a dodgy. It looks like a
That is the hammer, sir.
It's a hammer.
Okay.
A hammer, we have any volume here on the support?
Nope. Dead volume.
Done. I took the trade, sir. Understood, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. If there is low volume at this place with this candle, I was taking the trade. So why I didn't take the trade at this place? For example, we'll go to this place. So now I'll wait to break in. Okay, I got the break in here. Okay, I got the break in. Okay, if there is a good volume compared to previous, I'll don't enter because the next candle or next two candle, the market can come once again.
I see.
Why should I take the risk here? Because I don't know the future, right? Like what is going to happen. I'll just wait. Let's wait for the next candle. I'll be waiting. So when it start moving up, then yes. Now I'll get confirmed. When it comes near the support, if there is any low volume, then I'll join this trade, sir.
I
Clear?
remember that.
Yes,
I
sir.
remember that. Yes.
Yes. We should be very that's the reason yesterday I told to Jan, sir. On one chart, it should be plain, clean, neat chart with the volume. That's it. No more indicators.
Thank you.
No problem, sir. Peace.
Peace.
And I'm really upset, sir. Why did you didn't take the trade? I explained to you this, right? You should take this trade. This one. Why did you miss?
Because I was on the 5-minute chart and I was not confident to take it.
Okay.
And later when I wake up and I saw the second retest, I was upset because if I was awake, I would have taken it.
Yeah, I think that it's 4:50 for you now. I don't know if you are here in Europe, but for me that time is like 4:50 in the morning.
The first touch was at 4, yes, and I was awake back
Yes.
then. And
Oh, really?
when I
Oh, shit. Okay.
yeah, and when I saw that pattern, I was like, maybe it's not my day. I'm gonna go to sleep. And I wake up today, then I saw that the retouch is like evening star. I would have jumped if that was when I was awake at around 6 o'clock, 5:55, 5:50, your time.
Yes, exactly.
But before that, I was not sure. So I choose not to jump in. Next time,
Pramod,
maybe when I
how?
see the volume, I would jump.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Mahela, ma'am.
Pramod, when you explain now, I start to understand much better because I'm planning really good setups, but I'm not taking and I'm not executing them because I'm not confident. But
Okay.
now with this explanation about volume, I think this I need to understand more. I want to I will see again this video, but really have sense. Now I watch few trades that I didn't take, and if I knew this very well, this explanation with volumes, I should take it. It's very good, but it's so complicated. It's like a miracle when you understand a small thing. Everything is changing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I do
Thank
one
you
thing.
very much.
No problem, ma'am. I do one thing, ma'am. See, when you said this, then I'll do one thing. Today I'll teach the volume on my gold chart. If you are agree, then I'll show, sir. Because all the trade which I take, I can explain with the confident how I took the trade and all. If randomly,
Yes.
if someone said just go and check on Brett USDT and tell me that, for me, I should understand the chart because
Yes,
every
Pramod.
correct. So where I learned correct where I which someone teached me this. He showed me in gold chart, and I was very lucky that because I was also trading on gold. But you should understand if okay, then
Yes.
I'll show the all the trade how I take on the gold, how I took this entry with the volume. Yesterday this trade I
Yes.
took, and this while taking this trade I was with Sam sir. Sam sir,
Yeah, I
yeah.
remember.
He just called me after a long time to just say hi, and I said, "Sir, once again, I'm in this trade." He said, "Yes." So see, like the small thing, like what you said, Mela ma'am, the small setup, works so well. I got 100 pips. If there is
Yes.
no, if there is no uh, mapping here, I don't understand. Not only me, no one understand what's happening here. But
Yes, because
yeah,
happens so many times to me when market arrive to a zone and also make candlestick pattern very good. I took and then fold, and I didn't understand, and I'm losing confidence. Why? Because I don't understand why it happened. But if you understand more the volumes, you have the explanation there.
correct.
Because then arrive the better setup arrives after this
Yes, yes.
with volume confirmation. But
Mm.
I'm not sure I understand because I have a lot of confusion when to trust the candlestick. But now I will see if trusting candlestick patterns with volumes
Mhm.
will go better. But I think this is.
Yes, we'll definitely. I'll today we'll do that. I'll show you the all my gold chart, how I took the trades, and even the
Mhm.
goat. This one, what I'm showing, I'll show this also. Like, how can you find the trade in this the 5 minute structure? And today, if you want to try the short side during the US or anytime, so now the market built the liquidity at these places, so you can try the right, sir.
Sorry.
No problem, sir. So you can try the shot from this area.
Pramod, that's happening on ARC right now. If you open up ARC, mate.
So where are you, sir? From last 30 minutes, I'm asking where is the yawn, sir?
Oh, I'm here.
Yes, sir. Let me check.
Would you
I
go
don't
mark
know
the
what.
orange box first, though, Pramod?
1 second, sir.
Look
Let
at
me
that
check.
look at that chart in the background with all them indicators on still. Tut tut.
He's bubbling you there, Johan.
Yes, sir. Taking rejection, yeah, sir. But what? Tell me, sir. Yeah,
Break a block, mate. Touch
yeah,
and
the
go.
breaker block. Yes, I was seeing that we have here also.
First
One,
trade, second trade.
How's the volume looking?
ultra high volume. Candle should close, sir. Then only you will get the volume indication. Candle should close. Because if it turns into the green, this candle, the volume will become green. Let's look at this now. Cannot take that until the candle will not close. So 1 hour on the 1 hour something is different somewhere. Now what? It should the liquidity on the higher time frame. Okay. Now the market came for the retest. It can go up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So don't miss the trade. If you find any trade at this area, not here, sir. Not here, sir. Just wait till here. You got the good volume. The candle is also good. Try, sir, 2 trades. One, sell above this area. Don't keep this above this. The stop loss should be above this area, sir. Once again, it may can come. Okay, and if the candle goes and close above this, just wait for the retracement. The breakout area from here, you can try the long. Because on the 1 hour, what I showed here, after taking the liquidity, market went up and it came for the retracement, sir. Yes. Okay, done. Yeah, Jan sir, did you close the trade gold?
I took profit. I've still got 20% going, mate.
Where did you book the profit, sir?
Right at the bottom there.
Where?
Yes. There.
Where?
The first touch here.
Where? Oh. Your trade was from here, right? Here.
There, yeah. From here.
And what about the old one? You was holding the 20%.
Mate, let me just see. My entry was 3320. Yeah.
3320.
Yeah. There.
Here, okay. What about this? You took the here also you was holding.
Yeah, that was just a scalp, mate. So
Okay.
that was just a scalp. I was just still practicing, but then this one I was more confident. Because you said the day before they're gonna come back. I was like, okay, Pramod said so.
I kept, sir, I kept 51 target and it took, it achieved. Yesterday night I was trying the scalping from this area, sir. So I took the trade here and I was waiting to come till this area, sir. But when the market started ranging, I said, no, let's close and keep the break even. However, I was in the sell. My both side was hit. They got the break even hit, but I don't know later what happened. And as soon as like on the early morning, 3:34 a.m., started dropping. But again, I joined this trade long from this area, sir.
Pramod, can you just go back to ARC for 1 second? I just need to understand what you mean by the volume there, right? What we've got there now on the 5 minute, yeah. Because
Can you zoom in a little bit?
Because of that breaker block that we've got there, yeah. This candle here, that means they took profit, no? Because this is resistance.
Yes.
But they took profit, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So ideally on this red candle, we've got low volume now. If that closes there, for instance, that's low volume. So if it now comes back for the retest here, then you
Sorry, sir.
So if this candle, if this one here, yeah, if that candle closes and we get a evening star there with very low volume, let's just say we get low volume on that, yeah.
Yes.
The next one the next one, if we come back for the retest on the morning star there, at the evening star, will you then take the trade there then?
Yes, I'll take it there. I need, so once again, I'll explain, sir. See, for example, if the market started coming once again with the ultra high volume on the green.
Yeah.
It means their profit is booking. So so there I'll plan to take the short positions. Now I need, here I need one, for example, I need one evening star.
Yeah.
With the low volume, because I'm looking the short here. The low volume. What all you are seeing, the ultra high volume, those volumes should be on the green candles, not in the red candles, because I'm looking the sell from here. For
Okay.
example, we'll talk about this right now. So we need ultra high volume candles or good volume candles on this green candle, sir.
So
Then it means profits are booking.
yes. Okay. So if this candle here, yeah, if that was not a let's call that a gravestone doji, right? If that was not a gravestone doji, if this was a green candle that sat there and this volume was there, green.
Then yes, that is sign of the weakness. The market can go down now. I'll just wait for the confirmation candle. Done. Yes.
Okay.
Correct, sir. That is what. So today we'll discuss that during US sessions.
Yes. Okay, mate.
Yeah. And tomorrow US session. We'll be meeting early, sir. 7 p.m. IST.
On Friday.
Yes, sir. Friday. Which is 1 hour 30 minutes earlier, sir. Is it okay, right, sir? Only tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, 7 p.m., sir. 7 p.m. IST.
Yeah, it's good.
Yes.
I'm okay.
Okay. Sir. We'll meet.
That works.
Yes. Sir.
No, Pramod, you can't do that, Pramod.
No, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. I was expecting why Mr. B is silent. I think he was searching the unmute button. Sir,
No problem.
I'll teach this volume, sir. Like just
Okay.
everyone should take the book pen, should draw yourself support and resistance candles, and everyone should show me front of the camera, sir.
Yeah,
This
that'd
is
be
the
good,
real
mate.
game,
I think
sir.
there's a lot.
Huh?
There's a lot of confusion still on volume. But there's a lot
It's
of
done.
doubts by the looks of things. So yeah, it's good. Good to go through it again.
Sir, only sir HM, Mr. B.
Yes.
I can hear the voice very clear, sir, and Brett, sir. Sam, sir,
Yes.
John, sir, I don't know, sir. You're like, I don't know, you're very far from the mic.
They spent all their money in trading. Me and Mr. B bought good headphones.
You can't hear me.
Sir. No, I can hear, but I don't know, sir, whether I become dumb or not, sir. Yeah, it's okay, sir. No problem. Because like I should not miss the question, right? I should not ask the 3 times repeatedly. I don't understand. I did what, sir? What? It's okay, sir. No problem. But yeah, the volume, sir. Yon, sir. You also EK, everyone should mark yourself with the open support resistance, candles, and the volume. You should do that, sir. You should prepare that because this is the real trading. Like if when you understand the volume.
Okay, mate.
Yes, sir.
Could we go
Thank you,
back
mate.
to gold 5 minutes?
Gold, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, just for a second. I have a question concerning this order block. Here, where the price touched the order block, I would prefer to see that the price touches the middle line of the zone, or at least I would like to see a good bullish candlestick.
Correct.
And in this situation, we don't have both. So is this a good situation to go into the 1 minute chart, for example, to look there for a good candlestick, or how do you get the confirmation? Because I would wait in this situation until there's anything that makes me really sure that the price moves up.
Ma'am, especially on the gold, right? The gold, what we do, we trade on the touch and go. So touch and go is like when we see some pattern on gold, when the market will when it touch this area, right? We'll take the trade. Done. We'll take the trade. We don't wait for any confirmation. These are the touch and go trades. This will work only when it creates some patterns. So this is the pattern on the gold. Okay, when it breaks any recent high, we'll wait for touch and go trades. We don't wait for any candles.
Okay,
Okay.
this is special for gold, or would you
Yes.
say in okay.
This is especially for the gold, and you can use this. So the way we use, I'll tell you. So now I don't take the big trade. Like usually what I take the trade, I don't take in that trade size. I'll just take the 50% of that. I'll just take the trade. This trade will, for this trade, my stop loss will be below this or below this. So when I get confirmed like morning star, any pattern, right there, I'll add one more trade like with a good volume. I'll take the big trade because this trade I don't want to miss, because I usually see, especially on the gold, it'll come, it'll touch, and it'll start moving. If I start waiting for the candles, maybe I'll miss the trade. Better we'll enter in this trade without any candle confirmation. These are the just touch and go. So I'll just show you for example. So now this is the support. Okay, so I'll be finding the trade here. So unfortunately, I got the breakout. So I'll wait for the break in. When it break in, right? So the market, when it comes, I don't wait for the confirmation. Just I'll take the trade, because if the market goes and close below this, however, I'll take my stop loss. The trend will change. So better I'll take the risk when it touches here, because when it comes here without retracement, market will go up, because already the market has retraced, and sometimes I don't see the candles also here. My candle will confirmation, I'll get somewhere here, I'll be missing the trade. Just so this is a touch and go strategy. We'll just take it even here, like see now in this area. So when yesterday when the market was coming at this place, I'll take the trade. My stop loss will be below this. If I see any hammer, then yes, I'll take big trades. Like usually what I take the trade. So if there is no confirmation, I'll take the small trade. If that candle come and close below this, the completely scenario will change. So I'll believe in the patterns. That's it. That will work good in gold, especially. Like,
okay.
And you ask the 1 minute. Yes, ma'am, that you can do it on 1 minute. That is also good idea.
Okay.
On 1 minute, yeah. So here you got the morning star. So retest, wait, you can take in this same way. Yes, because this is you're taking the 1 minute on trade on 1 minute with the 5 minutes demand zone. It makes sense. So when you take the trade on the 1 minute, for example, here you cannot keep the stop loss just below this, because this is the area of the 5 minutes. Your stop loss should be below this. Then yes, you can try this on the 1 minute also for a
Okay, super. Thank you. And if you don't mind, I have one more question. I think it was 2 days ago, you explained something concerning taking the targets. And we had a situation, I can't remember which coin it was, but you said in this case we should not take the current low or maybe the current high as a target because it was too far. And I think I did not get why why it was different in this situation. So could you maybe explain again, when does it make sense to take the current high and low as a target, and when not?
Yes.
Do you remember that?
I don't remember, but I'll explain that, ma'am. Today, UA session, when I show the volume, right? I'll show you how to even like when you should book the profit. It will cover with the volume, because when we enter with the volume, based on that, I'll show you that. For sure. You just remind me. If I forget, you remind me there during UA session. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, today.
Okay, I will do. Thank you.
No problem. But you should
I'm
remember.
Gonna ask now.
Yeah, ma'am.
I'm gonna ask now anything that comes into my mind. So
yes, ma'am.
sorry
You should
if-
ask, ma'am. You should ask. Seriously, you should ask, ma'am. Because like how you will come to know?
Yeah.
That question
Thank you.
always will be like, it will be roaming in your head. You just ask what should I do here? I can give you the guidance. Yes. No problem. You will US session will wait the US session. Done. Guys.
Thank you, mate.
Amazing. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Pramod. Very good.
Thank you.
See you
Thank you.
later.
Thank you. See you, sir.
Thank you.
Peace.
Thank you,
Peace,
everyone.
peace.
Peace. Bye, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Peace,
Yeah.
everybody.
See you later.
Bye, bye, sir. Bye.
Bye.
John, sir. Oh, Francis.
Bye, Pramod. Have
Bye,
a great
sir.
day,
Bye.
mate.
You too, sir. You too. Take care, sir. Bye.
Thanks a lot. Yes, bye.
Pramod,
Yes.
Pramod,
Yeah, sir.
Pramod, can I ask you something? The course is to the middle of the June.
Yes,
This
sir.
SMC course.
Yes.
But after this, what we do then?
We'll announce,
Yeah.
sir. I'll announce.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
I'll announce next week. I'll announce what we. It will be the
Because
next
we
plan.
keep going. Yeah, because we
Yes.
keep going forward. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
perfect.
Sir,
Yes.
I'll teach you a lot of things, sir. So then
Yeah,
I
yeah.
will discuss that. You're already discussing me and my brother. I'll tell that,
Yes.
sir. We'll announce.
Ah, very good. Perfect.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Take care.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye
Take
bye.
care. Bye-bye.
Gold trader, sir. Your name is very difficult, sir.
Yeah, my name
Today,
is
yeah.
Cuisinier.
Cuisinier. So we'll meet today. You don't miss, sir, okay? Because we discussed about the gold today.
Yeah, okay. I
Don't miss.
will make sure I'll be there.
Yes, done.
Yeah.
Yeah, bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
No problem. Bye, sir.
Bye, Pramod.
Bye, sir. Take care, sir.
Thanks, Pramod.
Yes, sir. Stop it, sir. Bye, sir. Bye.